Muzaffar Saab, if you can.
Ready whenever you are.
Assalamu alaikum ji. My name is Ikram Musaddiq. I'm greatly honored and full of gratitude for being here in front of such an esteemed community of honorable judges and journalists. Firstly, I'd like to welcome the Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan, Justice Qais Saeed Isa Saab. Thank you very much for joining us and gracing the occasion with your presence. I'd also like to welcome Justice Athar Minallah Saab for giving us your time today and sharing your deep insight into the topic. I'm going to welcome the rest of our panelists first and then we can kickstart today's discussion. मेरी उर्दू शायद इतनी सलीस नहीं है जितनी बाकी सब ने प्रेजेंट की है, लेकिन मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि उसको मिक्स्ड आगे लेके जा सकूँ, बट माजरत इन केस आई से समथिंग जो इतनी ज़्यादा उर्दू में शायद अच्छी ना हो. I'd like to welcome Mr. Ijaz Ahmed Qureshi, Federal Ombudsman of Pakistan, to join us on the panel. I know he was sitting here. He must have briefly stepped out. I'd also like to invite Mr. Muzaffar Ahmed Mirza. He is the Chief Prosecutor and Head of Legal Affairs Division for the Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. Muzaffar Saab, if you can please join us on the stage.
Ijaz Saab is here. Hassan Raza Pasha, Chairman Executive Committee, Pakistan. Hassan Raza Pasha, Chairman Executive Committee, Pakistan. Sir, please.
Executive Committee.
Pakistan Bar Council.
I'd also like to invite Mr. Hassan Raza Pasha Saab, who is the Chairman for the Executive Committee for Pakistan Bar Council, on stage. Followed by Jazeb Durrani Saab, who is an independent director at OGDCL and Santec Metals, and he's also a fellow lawyer and chamber partner. And finally, Mr. Tahir Farooq Tahir Saab, he is the head of legal at Bernard.
Muhammad Tahir.
Ji, sorry, correction in the notes, it's Mr. Muhammad Tahir Saab, please.
Hi, sir.
We've got everyone here. Welcome everyone ji. I haven't been able to give detailed introductions to everyone, but I think we'll get to the topic at hand first. हमने यहाँ पे कोर्ट्स का रोल की बात की, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की रोल की बात की, हाई कोर्ट्स की रोल की बात की, how court reporters work with them. But I think an important section of this judicial function that regulators play in Pakistan as a branch of the executive is this quasi-judicial function that we play. We have a big branch of administrative law that is rendered through bodies like SECP, PEMRA, STZA, Federal Ombudsman, जो एक different level पे decisions और reporting करते हैं. I think आज की discussion बहुत important है because हमारे जो relationship है court reporters के साथ एक as regulators वो शायद इतना defined नहीं है. So I think today हम step 1 में ये थोड़ा सा understand करेंगे कि ये क्या role होना चाहिए, to how can we create that synergy और ये requirement किधर है. And I think that's where we can take it further from there. But before we do that,